Did Santa come?
1, 2, 3, go. Go look.
Yeah. Let's look in the milk. The milk is all gone too. They're all gone. Santa did that. Mama, I have a
Wow.
the balloon and Mr. Fantastic. And I have this. I have these. I have these for Christmas. For now, I wanted a big thing and big Mr. Fantastic and a big one of these and a thing big of these. I really didn't have a thing.
Mason, what's in your stocking?
I can't get out the other stuff that's in my stocking. It's so hard. I have where's my hat? Where's my hat, Mom?
I think Daddy's cutting the tag off.
Okay. Let's see what I have again. Let's see what I have. Mommy, you have to see after I get it out. Come on, you silly thing. Yeah. It's another superhero thing.
Princess shoes.
Hey, Mama.
Hang on, bub. You don't want that on?
No. Put it by my other ones. Put by my other ones, Dad.
Okay.
I have get that superhero thing in my stocking. I can't get it out because it's a silly one. Can't really get it out. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. No. Green. Let me see what else I have in my stocking. Come on. It's the Cyclops. The bottom that they have in Mommy, look at this.
Wow.
Look at this. And look at this.
I see.
I got 3 superhero things from Santa. I was dreaming about a Cyclops because I didn't have it a month ago.
What is that other box, Mason?
The other box,
Yeah, your other box. What is that?
I have superhero.
Is that the helicarrier?
Yes. Here, who can get it out with me? I can help you get this out. Hey, Daddy, can you get the helicarrier out this present?
Mm-hmm. Okay.